Hello everybody, this is Cooking with Quicksmoke and I am your host, Quicksmoke. Welcome back to my kitchen. God, I sounded like Martha Stewart there. Isn't that great? So if you haven't guessed by watching this video or looking at the title, we're working with bacon. Bacon makes everything better. So on my last video, I turned around and I said, the stuffed peppers. If you haven't seen it, you should. And I said, if you want to see me do my bacon peanut butter sandwich, I would do it. Well, somebody said, hey, I'd love to see that. So, hey, we're going to do it. So first you need yourself, you don't need a pound of bacon. I have to cook this bacon off. So I'm using a whole pound. Like literally all you need is like 4 or 5 slices of bacon. But, you know, bacon, who doesn't love bacon to snack on? So you're not using the whole thing of bacon, like the whole slice of bacon. I mean, you can, but it's a bit of a pain in the ass to manage. So what I do is I cut it in sectionals. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so now I'm going to move this over here. And I'm going to put that pan there, and I'm going to put the bacon here. And we're going to turn on our stove. It's about medium. And we're going to wait for our pan to heat up. And while we're waiting for that pan to heat up, I want to take a moment to say a few things. One, much love to all of you for watching this or watching any of my videos. I really do appreciate it. We are currently hovering around 500, maybe a little bit over. We need to make that grow, guys. We need to make that grow. You tell me how I can make that grow, and I could use your help to make it grow by, you know, telling people about me and sharing me out to people. And the last thing I want to mention is VG and Japic O'Death have a cooking playlist called Geeks and Gamers Cooking. I will leave a link to that in the description below. I highly recommend that you check it out. It's got well over 200 videos that have been made by people like me and you and her and Japic and others, just to give us a little more spice in our life. They gave us a cooking playlist. If you can't find anything that you want to cook there, you got something wrong with you, because that is quite a cooking list. Alright, it looks like we're starting to get there, so that out of the way. Let's put, and I got, it's a pretty good thick cut bacon. And I'm actually, what I don't normally do, well, I do it with the burger, a hamburger. It's be like a 3-minute video if I just said, alright, this is what you do with the bacon, and then cut to the sandwich. So, we're just going to throw the bacon in there. I'm going to show you the whole process. Food just, I mean, come on now. This is the ultimate food porn, is just watching bacon cook. Bacon. No worries, my hand is clean, folks. My hand is clean. So what kind of stuff do you guys like cooking with bacon? I mean, what's your favorite thing to have bacon on or in? Let me know in the comment section there. And are you going to try this out? If you're going to try this out, let me know as well. If you think it would taste better with something added to it, let me know. I don't know how I came up with this recipe. I think one day I was just bored. And I said, you know what? I am going to make myself a peanut butter and bacon sandwich. And I fell in love with it right after that. Like, I absolutely loved it. It's one of the best non-healthy things that I love to eat. I could probably eat like 2 or 3 of them. And how do you like your bacon? I like my bacon a little crunchy. Not burnt, but, you know, nice and crispy. Let me know how you like your bacon. I mean, even if you just want to say, bacon, in the comments, go right ahead. And make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe, comment, bell notification, and share. I'm actually doing this at the wrong time. I'm doing it probably about 2 hours before dinner. This is not a dinner snack, dinner food whatsoever. This is definitely something snack, you know, late at night or mid-lunch. Starting to do that nice bacon crinkly thing. I love, my house smells awesome already with bacon. Who doesn't love the smell of bacon? If you don't love bacon, you're not American. I'm just kidding. Everybody loves bacon. And Papa Smoke felt like he needed to let you know that cooking a bacon like this is also good for his favorite, the bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, which is what he's going to make for his breakfast with the leftovers. Let's flip it over. Wow, this is really, really thick bacon. It's going to be good. Good. If I find this in somebody's restaurant, I better get a little stipend for it. Loving that smell of bacon. And it doesn't have to be just normal bacon. It could be hickory smoked. Maple bacon actually would be really well. Would go well too. The taste, believe it or not, the little maple flavor with the peanut butter. That would be delicious as well. I'm going to get a little plate ready. Pull that bacon off. Delicioso. I love it, bacon. So now it's starting to crisp up a little bit. There's a lot of fat in this, so you want to be careful about the fat content in your bacon. It all tastes good, but still. Too much fat would ruin it. I got a little container right here to dump my excessive grease in because there will be a lot of grease from cooking this. Another little flip. See that beautiful brown? That's what I like to see, is the beautiful brown on that bacon. Keep an eye out sometime the rest of this week. I am going to do, I know I did a video on chicken Alfredo, I think once. I found a new recipe from, I think this guy's name is James the Cook or whatever. And I'm going to try it out here, and I'll record it for you guys and post it. Hopefully it'll come out nice and tasty. So keep an eye out next week, sometime hopefully in the middle of the week, for another video. As well as my streams on Saturday and Sunday. I like to stream Fallout 76, Fallout 4, and I'm currently doing Black Mirror, but I'm almost done with that. And I think I'm going to pick up, I think I'm picking up Dead Space 3 because I can stream it, but I can't download it. So it's going to be interesting on how that is going to work. If I'm going to be able to do more than one series on that. Let that one cook a little bit more. The fat's a little thicker. And actually, you know what? I think I will bring you back when I'm just about done with this. So we'll see you in just a minute. Alright, now that we're done the hard part, there's our bacon. I'll pat it down just a little bit with a paper towel to get some of the grease off. There we go. Now the fun part, okay? I'm only going to use one piece of bread because I got dinner coming up in like an hour or so. I really don't want to eat too much. Then I won't eat my dinner. I should have done this earlier in the day, but I was lazy. And I didn't feel like it. So you could use white. You could use wheat. You can use whole grain. You can use gluten-free. You could even use a pita if you like. Doesn't matter to me. Whatever bread suits your fancy. Now when I use peanut butter, I only use one peanut butter. I refuse to eat any other peanut butter but Peter Pan peanut butter. I grew up on this. I love this shit. I will swear by this. This is the best. Nay, the only peanut butter that should be out there. Alright. I'm going to slather a good amount of peanut butter on there. There we go. Nice and creamy. And then the bacon. We're gonna make, just for thumbnail purposes, we're gonna put it towards the edge there. About 3 or 4 pieces. It depends on how much bacon you want. We're going to put an extra one just for good luck. There you go. That's what it looks like. Now you could toast the bread if you want. You don't have to. I choose not to because I like the softness of the bread. And then we're just going to fold it in half. There you go. Nice peanut butter bacon sandwich. Now I'm going to take a bite. Come on now. I'm going to not eat my dinner tonight. This is Quicksmoke saying, if you like, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification. Share me out. Tell somebody about me. Let's get this channel to grow. Don't forget to check out Japic and Vaultgirl 145. Japic O'Death and Vaultgirl's 145's cooking playlist, which will be linked in the description below. You'll find this video there, as well as many of my others. Cooking videos, that is. As well as a bunch of other lovely people's cooking videos. Until next time, thumbs up, folks. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. See you in the next one.